Meaning of depressed.
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 Depressed. Depressed is a term used to describe a state of low mood or a loss of interest or pleasure in activities that were once enjoyable. It can also be accompanied by other symptoms such as feelings of worthlessness, hopelessness, and helplessness, as well as changes in appetite and sleep patterns. It impairs one's ability to function in daily life and can result in a sense of isolation and despair. Depressed individuals may struggle with relationships, work, and personal well-being. Seeking professional help and support is important for those experiencing depression.